starting with the most bizarre of them all.
Wait, what is that up in the tree? There's a shoe and a body.
On April 11th, 2023, Port Orange police officers initiated a car chase. The pursuit eventually ended when the male suspect crashed the vehicle, leading him to flee on foot. After an hour of intense searching, the suspect was spotted in the strangest location ever.
Where exactly they were at, I never saw them back here, or where they came in at exactly. Wait, what is that up in the tree? The shoe up there. Up in the tree, Oak tree right here on the backside. There's a shoe and a body. Show me your hands! Show me your hands right now! If you move, you will be bit by the canine! Do not fucking move! Do not fucking move or you'll be bit!
Hands up!
If you come off this tree, you will be fucking bit!
Hands up! Pulling down slowly.
If you try to run, that dog will bite you. Do not fucking run when you get down. If you produce a weapon, I will fucking kill you. You better slowly come down that tree with nothing in your hands.
Under the threat of being shot, the suspect climbed down from the tree, though not without attempting to outsmart the officers once more.
North, but he's literally in a tree right now trying to climb it like Tarzan. You're 5 by Central Stage Rescue.
You're about to get bit.
When you drop, you better stay right where you're at. That dog's gonna bite you. Don't move! Don't move! Do not move! Don't tear it off! Tear it off, taser! Put your hands out! Get on the ground right now!
Right now.
I got him and you got the dog, Kevin.
Grab the, here, get the dog. I got him. He's fine, the dog can stay on.
Okay.
All right,
Make
good
sure you
boy.
got him. I got him. Just hold that arm, I got him.
You're an idiot, dude.
Hey, hold it, hang on.
Dude, how dumb are you? Good boy, Draco. And then Rain spotted him.
All of a sudden I just see a shoe and like black pants up there in that thing, and it wasn't moving at first. I'm like, is it like a mannequin? And then, cause I couldn't see his upper body at all. And then McDowell is like, oh yeah, that's him. And then he literally comes all the way out here to like this branch and just hangs on by an arm, and finally he's like, I guess I can't do it, and just drops.
The suspect was taken to jail. He was charged with fleeing and eluding, resisting without violence, and leaving the scene of a crash with property damage. In the next case, you won't expect where the suspect was hiding. On November 15th, 2022, Oklahoma police officers received an anonymous tip about a suspect with felony warrants hiding in a trailer. After conducting a thorough search of the trailer and finding nothing, the officers, before leaving, decided to check one last spot.
Sammy! Hey. Not yet, we're clearing the trailer. Look at that. You see that, right?
What? The bag?
Is that a bag or is that a vest? That's a vest. Huh?
You clear this?
We need to lift this up. No, we need to lift this bed up. Cody, you got cover out there while we do this? Good. Shots fired. Will we do this? Good. Shots fired.
I'll use 1033.
The officer appeared to have subdued the suspect, who was writhing in pain. However, as the other officers re-entered, the suspect gave them something else to worry about.
With your hands up. Timothy, you need to come out with your hands up.
The suspect could not surrender as he died from fatal gunshot wounds. One of the officers sustained minor injuries but received treatment at the hospital. The suspect in the next case was likely the unluckiest thief ever, as he practically handed himself over to the police while attempting to exit his hideout. On July 26, 2023, officers from the Huron Police Department responded to a triggered security alarm at the Vacationland Federal Credit Union branch in Ohio. Upon arrival, they heard crackling sounds from the roof and noticed a recycling bin placed precisely under an access door in the middle of the drive-through lane. They sensed something was wrong, and they weren't wrong.
Get out. Get out.
Okay. Just fucking put your hands behind your back.
The suspect, later identified as 27-year-old Tristan Heidel, had been attempting to rob the establishment. He was arrested and charged with breaking and entering, possession of criminal tools, and safe cracking. The next case is hilarious, as the suspect was literally playing hide and seek with the officer.
Hey, man.
On July 22, 2022, a Monroe County Sheriff's deputy offered assistance to a driver whose car had stopped at an intersection. While helping, the officer noticed signs of intoxication. The officer attempted to arrest the driver, who then did something completely unexpected.
So everyone place your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for operating while impaired. Hey, easy there. Easy there. What are you doing? Take it easy. Get out of here right now. "32, 33. He just turned around the house."
The suspect managed to escape again, but as the officer continued searching, he eventually found the suspect hiding in a rather amusing location.
Hey, man. Come on here, I'm gonna OC you. Come here. Come here, right now. I'm gonna OC you. Get on the ground.
Stop! Leave me alone!
As the suspect ran onto the highway again, the officer seized the opportunity to pursue him in his patrol car and in no time caught up with him. The suspect was literally making a mockery of the officer. Backup soon arrived, and after 15 minutes of searching, they finally located the suspect hiding in the bushes once again.
Stop right there. 35, I got him.
Moving you, moving you, moving you, moving you.
Don't move.
I got taser. Put your hands behind your back. Do it now, you're gonna get tased. Lay on your stomach, put your hands behind your back. Do.
Stop coming to me like that! God, don't you
Touch me twice.
touch me like that!
He's grabbing a hold of my gun.
No, you're being a punch! I was good, you faggot! I'm gonna sue your ass! You let go of me now! Get the up!
Put your hands behind your back.
How the am I gonna do that?
Oh, he's biting me.
Get off of me!
Get off. Stop biting me.
Off of me!
The suspect, identified as 25-year-old Andrew Olson, was eventually arrested. He was charged with battery on an officer, resisting with violence, and attempting to disarm an officer. The The next suspect thought he'd be safe in his car trunk, but he couldn't have been more wrong. On October 9th, 2020, dispatch received a call about a stepson fighting with his stepfather. To avoid further conflict, the mother and her son left the house. Later, at a convenience store, the stepson, knowing the police were coming, tried to hide in a car, but an officer had already seen him climb in.
So, I don't know.
No, there's not any weapons in my car.
No weapons on him, though?
No. We literally just came from the downtown area where he was robbed. He's very upset right now.
Hey, keep your hands right there, Alex. Okay?
Alex, don't do anything stupid.
Keep your hands there.
Get out of the car.
Vehicle.
Get out of the car.
Alex,
Okay, I'm coming.
Alex,
Well, when we tell you get out of the vehicle,
I'm
get out of the vehicle.
trying to.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it.
Put your arm behind your back.
When we tell you get out of the vehicle,
I
means
was
get the...
trying to.
Get back in the car!
Jordan, I was trying to get out of the vehicle. I'm cooperating. What am I doing wrong?
After being found, the suspect, Alex, didn't give up, but instead tried to make excuses.
Mom. What?
Do you have anything on you that's gonna stick me, poke me, hurt me?
No, sir. Why are you being so aggressive? What am I? Mom. What are they doing? Why are they being so aggressive? I didn't do anything wrong. No. They dragged me out of the fucking car. Did I not? You did.
Alex,
I'm trying to cooperate.
down.
I'm trying to,
Hold on,
but he
Carol.
ripped me.
Hold on. I want to double cuff these before they tighten. That should lock.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting.
Say you were.
After being put into the squad car, the police tried to make sense of the entire situation, but Alex continued to insist on his innocence.
Why am I in the back of the squad car?
Because you were hiding in the back of the trunk. My partner saw you dive in the back seat of the trunk. We don't know what you're doing, why you're doing that. So that is why you were pulled out the way you were, placed in cuffs and detained back here. Now, what I'm trying to ask you is what happened over there on Victoria? What happened over there? You were just over there. Okay, what happened over there? They're saying that a physical disturbance happened and that you punched somebody.
No. The guy, my mom's husband, my stepson, who's been abusive my whole fucking life.
Your stepdad?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, he's bullshitting that.
Upon his arrest and a subsequent search of his home, several controlled substances were discovered. He was taken to jail and charged with possession of a controlled substance, disorderly conduct, and resisting an officer, and was sentenced to 4 years of probation. The next suspect gave the officers the challenge of a lifetime by hiding in the most difficult place to find. On August 13th, 2022, police officers responded to a residence after multiple neighbors reported an unknown individual who had illegally entered their homes and was now hiding somewhere in the neighborhood.
Whose apartment is like right here on this first floor? That's yours? Okay.
And from there, it sounds like he's right underneath my floorboard.
Okay, so it sounds below.
Yeah.
Okay.
Whatever he's banging on, I can hear it like he's in my apartment.
Okay. Like down below, right?
Yeah, like
okay.
in this corner right here. I think this is the corner of that, because my bed is like right off, maybe not this corner, but like.
Yeah. It sounds like we can hear him right there.
Here. Yeah, that's exactly where he is.
Okay. They said when we go down to this room, it's a room, and they said there's like a plywood wall that's put up, and there's like next to a fire extinguisher. They said sounds like he's behind the wall. Yeah.
After receiving the information, it was time for the officers to locate and arrest the suspect, but they didn't anticipate it would take them 4 hours.
Hey man, I can hear you. You all right? All right, can you come out for me? Can you hear me? Are you able to crawl out? All right, could you do that for me? Because we don't want to have the fire department come over and start cutting holes in the floor to get you out. We're not going anywhere. Just Okay, you're stuck? Okay, is there, what do you mean by stuck? Like you can't, like you're pinned or there's just no way out? Are you hurt? Okay, how are you hurt?
The suspect claimed to be trapped, prompting the police to devise a plan and cut through a plywood panel leading to the crawl space. However, as the officer attempted to extract the suspect through this opening, the suspect made another unwise move.
Did you make it that far back yesterday? Go, Jason! 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 Jason, come on, we gotta get you out of there. Jason! Jason! You need to come out. What? Yeah.
The officers quickly regretted not forcibly removing the suspect when they had the chance, and as the suspect continued to ignore lawful commands to come out, the officers armed themselves with pepper spray in an attempt to flush him out of the crawl space.
Alright, so you got two options, man. You come out and I give you this bottle of water, or I'm gonna spray pepper spray up there and you can come out that way. Jason, this is your last warning before I give you pepper spray, okay? Can you hear me? Jason, last chance. I do not have to send any more in there if you crawl out.
Jason, once you're out in the fresh air and we get some water to you, you're gonna feel a lot better.
Despite choking from the pepper spray, the suspect still refused to leave the crawl space. Growing increasingly frustrated, the officers used more force by deploying their K9 unit into the crawl space to force the suspect out.
Down. Cross police car with the K9. Come out. Come out the way you came. Otherwise, they'll deploy the dog and you might be bit. Find him. Find him. Jason, the dog's right there. Speak. Speak. Good boy. Watch him. Watch that guy. Good boy. Down. Get him. Watch him. Watch him. Watch him. Don't kick the dog. Do not kick the dog. Hey, Loki, down. Hey, stop chewing stuff up. Go. Down, down, down. Come on. Good boy. Down.
The K9 had to be withdrawn after the suspect repeatedly kicked it in the face. With the K9 option unsuccessful, officers donned gas masks and introduced a large amount of pepper spray gas in another attempt to flush the suspect out.
Jason, come on, you're under arrest. You're under arrest. Jason, just listen to my instructions. Let's go get some fresh air. Come on towards me. Come on, Jason. Pipe 40 up. Put it down, put it down. Put the pipe down. Jason, you're under arrest. Come on towards me. Put that pipe down. Step back now. Where'd the guy go? He's got nowhere to go.
The officers continued deploying the gas repeatedly until the suspect could no longer endure it and was forced to surrender, ending the standoff after 4 hours.
Comply, comply. Comply. Do not resist. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
The suspect, later identified as 49-year-old Jason Rankin, was first transported to the hospital, where he managed to escape but was quickly recaptured. He was then taken to jail and charged with failure to comply, criminal trespass, bail jumping, resisting an officer, and harassment of a police animal.